I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video I will show you how to make delicious pickled yellow radish, step by step. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh yellow radishes. Wash them well, trim both ends, and then slice them into uniform pieces, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, place the sliced radishes in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt, and toss to coat. Let this sit for approximately 1 hour. This step helps draw out excess moisture. Now let's prepare the flavorful pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Also, add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for that vibrant yellow color. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring continuously until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This ensures a perfectly balanced and seasoned brine. After the radishes have released their moisture, rinse them very well under cold water and pat them completely dry with a clean towel. This is crucial for a crisp pickle. Carefully pack the dried radish slices tightly into clean, sterilized pint-sized jars. Then, pour the hot pickling brine over the radishes, making sure they are entirely submerged. Seal the jars tightly and let them cool down to room temperature before placing them in the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow your pickled yellow radishes to chill in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours before enjoying them. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. These delicious, crisp pickles will stay fresh and flavorful in your refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. They are fantastic as a crunchy side dish, a zesty addition to sandwiches, or a perfect accompaniment to rich, grilled meats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.